Welcome back to Sunrise Studios. My name's James and I manage development here at Sunrise. Now, most projects, they don't have an infinite timeline or an infinite budget as much as we might wish. Outsourcing development is a logical solution, but you gotta do it the right way. The reality is you want your local team to be true architects. They need to be reviewing and evaluating designs and solutions at volume to keep your project on the timeline. Your local tech art should be involved in the more critical developments, so integrations, vendor management, working with ISVs, and they should be delegating the more simplistic tasks to what we'll call their sous chefs. It's the recipe for success.
Yes, chef!
Now, lots of companies have attempted this recipe, but Sunrise has found that key ingredient that makes it all work. In 2007, WameSoft was founded as a division of Sunrise. Since then, they've grown from a group of developers into a full-fledged consulting practice. They now handle projects all over the Asia-Pacific region. In fact, one of their biggest customers is Microsoft. By having not just some third-party offshore company, but actually a division of Sunrise based in Xi'an, we can ensure standard processes are followed across both Sunrise and Wame. Training we give to both sides. The teams work together tightly day to day. It's an extension of our Sunrise project teams and not just some separate entity that we're throwing something over a fence to. Sunrise and WameSoft. We share expertise, we're just in different time zones.